Hi, I'm Charlie from Charnwood, and I'm going to introduce to you our new MagCuff magnetic dust extraction fittings. There are three parts to the system: MagCuff 1, Mag 100 and Mag 63. MagCuff 1 is a 100mm 4-inch fitting with a flexible rubber cuff, allowing it to be fitted to any 100mm machine outlet. It has a metal ring mounted on the open side. It simply slides on to your machine outlet and is held in place using the built-in hose clamp. Next, we move on to the hose fittings. We've got the Mag 100, which will fit into the 100mm 4-inch flexible hose, and the Mag 63, which will fit into the 63mm 2.5-inch flexible hose. The open end of the hose fitting has a series of magnets which allow it to easily connect to the cuff. The first way to use the system is to simply put the MagCuff 1 onto your machine outlet and the appropriate hose fitting onto your hose, allowing you to quickly and easily connect your dust extractor to the machine and disconnect when you're finished. If you have multiple machines, then you can fit a MagCuff 1 to each outlet, allowing you to change from one machine to another in seconds. The second way to use them is to fit the MagCuff 1 onto your dust extractor inlet as well. You can then fit the hose fitting onto each end of the hose, allowing you to disconnect your hose completely and store it safely when not in use. You could even have multiple hoses of different lengths and diameters to suit different machines. In conclusion, this system could revolutionise dust extraction in your workshop, making hooking up your extractor simpler, quicker and safer.